Hi, and welcome to the channel. I have two leads for you today at Quest Diagnostics, so let's get right into it. The first position we're looking at is for a client service representative one, and currently we are at a glance. However, you have the success profile, career path, job description, culture, and benefits rewards. All of these sections tell you about this position. For the purposes of this video, we're going to navigate straight to the job description. Click there. Okay, now we're at the job description. The category for this position is customer service. The location is Lenexa, Kansas. However, it does not indicate that you have to be located in this particular area. This is a 100% remote position. It's day shift, regular, full time, and it's in the client services job family. So let's scroll down. Pay range $17.20 plus, but there are other factors. Salary offers are based on a wide range of factors, including relevant skills, training, experience, education, and where applicable, certifications obtained. Market and organizational factors are also considered. Successful candidates may be eligible to receive annual performance bonus compensation. Now, benefits. I will not read this whole benefit section to you, but I will pause so you can read it. But it's important to point out day one, medical, dental, vision for full-time employees who work 30 plus hours is available. So, hey, you got some benefits day one. Let's see. Here are the essential duties. Use proper telephone etiquette and all available resources to respond to incoming customer inquiries, requests, and complaints. Troubleshoot inquiries and follow up with customers on issues that cannot be resolved immediately. Complete all required documentation associated with the handling of calls. Report laboratory results to clients and patients using established protocols. Follow through in a timely manner to resolve all issues and concerns. Provide education and guidance to clients about lab processes. Escalate issues as appropriate. Perform other duties as assigned. Qualifications. 1 year of customer service and or related healthcare experience is required. If you don't have the healthcare experience, you probably have the customer service experience. At some point, everyone has worked at fast food. Preferred work experience, previous related healthcare experience preferred, not required. Physical and mental requirements, sitting for long periods of time, repeating motions that may include wrists, hands, and fingers, typing. Knowledge, proper telephone etiquette to handle customer inquiries. Skills, basic skills, listening skills will be a plus. And I will tell you this, you need to know how to problem solve. Education, high school diploma or GED. Certifications, really none. And that is the client service representative one position. And the second position we're looking at is call center interviewer one, bilingual English and Spanish. Let's navigate to the job description. Category customer service. The location is Phoenix, Arizona. Job function is operations, job family, client services. It's regular full-time, remote, and a day shift. Insurance risk interviewer, bilingual English and Spanish. Training schedule Monday through Friday, 11 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. Central, 1 week. Work schedule is Central Time, Monday through Friday, anytime between 10 a.m. and 8 p.m. Central, with one required rotational Saturday a month. Saturday rotation is every 4 weeks and may require additional Saturday work days depending on business needs. There will also be mandatory overtime based on business needs. Anticipated start date for this position is September 23rd. This position is in a production-driven environment. The primary purpose of this position is to complete life insurance, medical, and financial interviews via telephone through inbound and outbound calls for multiple client companies. Calls can range in length from 20 minutes to 60 minutes, depending on the extent of the applicant medical history. Pay range is $16.50 plus per hour. Of course, there are other factors that can boost that pay range, including relevant skills, training, experience, education, and certifications. Benefits. Let's scroll down to the benefits. Same as the last position. Day one, medical, dental, vision for full-time employees who work 30 plus hours. Let's scroll down. Qualifications. Required work experience, non-applicable. Previous experience with medical terminology, life insurance, industry, and customer service preferred, not required. Physical requirements, regularly required to communicate in person, by email, or on the telephone. Required to sit, stand, walk, bend, stoop, crouch, and reach with hands and arms. Frequently required to use hands, fingers, handle, or feel in order to operate computer, keyboard. Normal performance of duties. May require lifting and carrying objects. Knowledge and skills, excellent interpersonal communication, proficiency in Microsoft Office, be able to type 30 words a minute, accurate and detail oriented, good organizational skills, proficient teamwork skills. Education, you must have a high school diploma or equivalent, which is the GED. So basically, with this position, there are no minimum qualifications. This is entry level. So if you're just jumping into the corporate world or the remote work, this may be an ideal position for you.